Good morning, boys and girls. We are ready for math. We are doing some reviewing this week in math. Since we've been off for a little while for Christmas break in math this week, we're going to go back and review some things we've worked on, and then we'll start some new things next week. So we're going to start off looking at a little video about comparing numbers to 5.
He bought some balloons and some pinwheels. George has fewer balloons than pinwheels. Goodbye, George. In this lesson, you will compare numbers to 5.
Micah visited a farm. She saw pigs and chickens.
Click the pigs to count them.
1, 2, 3. Micah saw 3 pigs.
Click the chickens to count them.
1, 2, 3, 4. Micah saw 4 chickens. Micah saw more chickens than pigs. Micah also saw cows and sheep. She saw 5 cows. She saw fewer sheep than cows.
Which set shows how many sheep Micah might have seen? Click your answer. Click Done when you are finished.
All right, if she saw fewer sheep, then we're looking for a smaller number. She saw 5 cows. Well, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheep. That would be the same. So it can't be that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 sheep. That would be less or fewer.
That's right. This set has fewer than 5 sheep.
Micah might have seen 4 sheep.
Count the trucks. 1, 2. Which set of cubes shows more than the set of trucks? Click your answer.
All right, there's 1, 2 cubes. That would be the same or equal. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. That would be more.
That's right. Count the horses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which set of cubes has fewer than the set of horses? Click your answer.
All right, there's 2 cubes. That would be fewer. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be more. We don't want that one. 2 is fewer than 4.
That's right. Which set has more? Click your answer.
All right, this looks pretty easy when I just look at it. There's more than that. Or I can always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 4 is more than 2.
That's right.
There's our last one.
Which set has fewer? Click your answer.
All right, I can tell by looking, or I could count. There's 3 shovels and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the, what are those called, boys and girls? I can't remember what they're called. They're a little like fork-like for shoveling. 3 is less than 5.
That's right.
All right, we're going to stop there. And here is your paper for today. It has a number 2.5 at the top, or you can see some fruit on the front of it. So we're going to be comparing sets to 5. All right, up here by number 1 where the apple is, it says count how many are in each set. Write the number. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Down and over, down once more, and 3 bananas. After you write your number, then I want you to circle the number that is greater. Make sure you are using a pencil. we're going to do the same thing right there. There's 2 pairs. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And circle the number that is greater. All right, then they want you to switch it up right here for number 3, boys and girls, by the leaf. They want you to write each number, but then circle the number that is less. So you do it, and then you can check with mine. I found 3 pineapple and 1 watermelon. Circle the number that is less. This is just a quick review, boys and girls, so flip your paper over. These are things we've already learned. Reviewing means we're just going back over them again to make sure we haven't forgotten. Oh, by number 1, they want you to count the cars. There are 2 cars. Then they want you to mark under the number that is less than the cars. So if we had 2 cars, what is less than 2? Yes, it's going to be 1. Because 2 would be the same or equal, 3 is more, 4 is more. So circle the number that is less. By number 2, all you have to do is count the cats and mark your answer. That's super easy for you all. And by number 3, find the set or the group that is in counting order. If it's going to be in counting order, we need to start with the smallest number and then go up. Are we going to count 5, 3, 1, 2, 4? No. Are we going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes. Would we count 3, 4, 5, 2, 1? No. Would we count 1, 2, 5, 4, 3? No. Only one of those sets is in counting order. All right, boys and girls, that should have been very easy for you because it was a review, practicing stuff that we have already learned. I will look over that when you send it back in with your packet. If you have any questions, send me or message or call me here at school.